How to remove axes, legends, and white padding. I would like to apply color map to an image, and write the resulting image, without using axes, labels, titles, or anything automatically added by matplotlib. Here is what I did. It successfully removes the axis of the figure, but the figure saved presents a white padding and a frame around the actual image. How can I remove them, at least the white padding?
The axis of method resolves one of the problems more succinctly than separately changing each axis and border. It still leaves the white space around the border, however. Adding box_inches equals tight to the savefig command almost gets you there. You can see in the example below that the white space left is much smaller, but still present. Newer versions of matplotlib may require box_inches equals 0 instead of the string tight, via at episode young and at cadrak.
I learned this trick from MateHat, here. Yields.
Possible simplest solution. I simply combined the method described in the question and the method from the answer by hooked. After this code there is no white spaces and no frame.
No one mentioned imsave yet, which makes this a one-liner. It directly stores the image as it is, i.e. does not add any axes or border/padding.
plt.savefig, example.png, box_inches equals tight, pad_inches equals 0. Gets me the borderless image.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.